Hello, this is Del Rep BPM. Quick shout out to Tiago Silva and Space for Coins, where my father just bought 5 Morgans from him in MS State, and he loves them.
Hey guys, long time I don't do any video. This is a video to show some coins that was acquired by the father of Del Rep BPM. They are 5 Morgan dollars, all mint state, including one proof-like. Let's start. This one is 1881, all in Genie slabs. You can see a Genie slab, MX63. I think everyone knows the Genie, the European grading certification. This is 1902, organ, MX62. All the details of the coin, made by Genie. Another two, an 8080, another mint state MX64. Beautiful. Then you have 1878 MX63 Carson City, also mint state. You can see the Carson City. All graded by Genie. All the coins graded by Genie. And then to finish, we have 1879 proof-like. It's a proof-like 63, 1879. This is really stunning coin. Congratulations to the father of the BPM to acquire these stunning coins. Congratulations. Let's finish this image of a proof-like coin.